Jamnagar is a coastal town in western India and is blessed with diverse landscapes. There are salt marshes, mudflats, sandy and rocky beaches, huge salt pans and offshore islands scattered all over the coast. This exuberant combination of habitat is a haven for birds. On 31st December 2018, a rare sighting of a solitary Asian dovewitcher put Jamnagar on the birding map. This individual was here to stay and provided ample opportunity to the birders countrywide. The Asian dovewitcher at Jamnagar was sighted in a shallow pool of a salt pan at Bedi Port, barely a few kilometers outside Jamnagar town. Salt pans are situated on both sides of the busy road. One salt pan, adjoining the port boundary wall, had a fine layer of algae on the moist mud. The salt pan on the other side of the road was huge, flat, and shallow without any vegetation. The Asian dovewitcher mostly spent the winter in these two roadside salt pans. This elegant wader was not easy to identify from a distance at one go, even for an experienced birder. It was easily confused with godwits in winter plumage. Here it was seen with a group of black-tailed godwits and was slightly smaller in size. This difference became apparent with good optics. It had a bill very similar to a snipe, and hence it is also called snipe-billed godwit. The Asian dovewitcher has a typical feeding behavior which differentiates it from similar-looking waders. The long bill is used for probing in fast up and down vertical motion of the head and bill, which mimics a sewing machine. It always feeds by poking. Sometimes the bill penetrates deep into the mud and withdraws a few seconds later with a worm or a crustacean. Small crustaceans and mollusks are also consumed by jabbing. It has a liking for small fish too. Feeding was almost continuous for the whole winter. Bathing and preening being an essential part of feather maintenance, it bathes by standing and repeatedly dipping head and breast into the water and wetting its plumage. This is followed by shaking off the excess water. The dovewitcher preens by dipping the bill into the water and then rubbing it into the belly feathers and over the back and flanks. It spends sufficient time to groom itself thoroughly. During most of January, the bird was in winter plumage, but slowly with the arrival of March, it started molting and the plumage turned to chestnut red on its neck and breast, which gradually darkened till it stayed in Jamnagar. It was at ease feeding along other birds. As it foraged with flamingos, it was a treat to watch the contrast of size and color. Like other waders, the Asian dovitcher sleeps while standing on one leg. It lays the head back on the back and the bill is tucked under scapulars. The eyelids usually blink in this state of weariness known as pseudo-sleeping. Of the three dovitchers in the world, short-billed dovitcher and long-billed dovitcher are Nearctic species. The Asian dovitcher is the only species which migrates along the East Asian-Australasian flyway. This individual, being a vagrant to the Central Asian flyway, was found along the Jamnagar coast. Flyways are the corridors in the sky that migratory birds have traversed annually for generations between their breeding and wintering grounds. It is interesting to learn, however, that this Asian dovitcher has reached the Jamnagar coast, which is in the Central Asian flyway. We do have a couple of previous records of vagrant Asian dovitchers visiting this region in the Marine National Park. According to eBird, there are only 2 records of sightings of the Asian dovitcher along the Indian west coast, Goa and Cochin. It is a very important sighting all in all. The bird stayed just off the main road, so it is not apprehensive and is very used to human presence. But this one, being very near to the road and yet not being easily disturbed, proves that it has endured human presence during its staging along the passage from subarctic regions to the tropics. The dovitcher was a celebration not only for the birders but also for the locals. The canteen named Didar-e-Dovitcher, meaning glimpse of the dovitcher, became a happening place near the sighting location. The Asian dovitcher is a near-threatened species. According to BirdLife International, the moderate population of the species is declining because of unsustainable development and destruction of its wintering habitats and climate change. The sight and the sighting of the Asian dovitcher will remain a birding heritage and a mutual experience amongst the birders. It was last seen on 20th of April 2019. We are hopeful and have faith that it will come back this winter again, only to bring exuberant bliss to the birding fraternity.